Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get front flash on the TikTok. So whenever you use your TikTok back camera you will see a flash option here. But if you are using the front camera on the TikTok there is no option to turn on the flash. As you will see, I open my front camera and flash option is disappear from here. How you can use the flash of your front camera? So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to go back and open your settings. Once you will do it, and here you have to click on the display, and in the display first of all you have to make sure you're not using dark theme on the Android phone. Once you will turn off the dark theme, now you have to click on the brightness from here and make full of your brightness like this. So once you will do the 100% brightness level, now go back and open your TikTok and shoot a video. So this is the way you can get the front flash on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.